Welcome back to my channel. Sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe dito at bago sa channel ko o kaya nakapanood ka ng isang episode o isang short dito sa channel ko, pwede mo namang mag-subscribe o i-like mo yung mga videos, and then kung nakaka-relate yung mga friends mo, recommend mo tong channel na ito para lumago na. Let's go to the episode of this series. Go! Good morning! Day 16 ng ating training phase 3. So, session for today ay easy recovery run from our Sunday run. So, 35 minutes lang to. Alam na this, purely, I will make sure, purely zone 2 training tayo. Time check, 4:54 a.m. Tara, takbo. Dami mong daldal. Okay, day 16, easy run done. 35 minutes ang duration. Total distance, that's 3.3 kilometers. Not sure. This is the only session for today. Laters. Good morning. Day 16, I think, ng ating training plan, phase 3. So, ang session for today ay interval run that will last for 1 hour. So, alam na this, pagod na naman ako. Pero, kailangan natin i-take. So, time check, it's 4:32 a.m. Tara, takbo. Day 17 done. Interval run session done. Total distance 6.77 kilometers. 1 hour duration. Medyo pagod ako. Pero yung in between intervals naman walking, so hindi rin ka burnt out ang aking feeling. So yun lang. This is the only session for today. Papasok na ako. Later. Good morning! Day 18 na tayo ng ating training plan, phase 3. So, session for today, easy run, 35 minutes lang ito. Time check, 5 a.m. Let's go! Matakbo si Steph, oh. Matakbo si Steph. Sorry. Day 18, easy run done. So, total lang 40 minutes. Distance, mga na 3 kilometers. Ito talaga purely zone 2 training. Anyway, this is the only session for today. Pasok na ako. Later.
Good morning! Day 19 tayo ng ating training phase 3. As you can see, nasa ibang lugar ako. Wala ako sa aming condo village. For the first time na aking training sa takbuhan, sasali ako sa session ng isang run club. So, tempo session today. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa may S. Mason, doon ang meet up. Kasama natin ng Rev Run Club. May trialing din ng sapatos ngayon, yung Saucony Azura. So sana makahiram tayo. Hiram talaga. Hiram tayo ng sapatos na yon para matestin natin sa ating tempo run. Unahan yun eh. First come, first serve. Kaya punta na tayo. Let's go.
Alright, so few announcements before we start our run. There's gonna be exclusive matcha drinks for all the women after the run. That's waiting for lots of you. So number one for me, I am trained for Paradox. So I was able to test these shoes for the sleds, for the burpees. I can say number one, the grip is really good. And this shoes really it reminds me of something where I can just go out and run. It's very light, it's very responsive, go up. It's very good. The key technology here is the cushion in, so it's very soft. Who's wearing here in red? Very soft, very nice, very responsive, right? And so it's really soft, down, feel the bounce. So that's the Softly Super Foam Speaking with
Malamig today. So, we have warm-ups today more compared to what our usual dynamics. Kasi we're gonna do tempo intervals. Anybody has done this or has been doing this for your workout? Dapat meron. This is not a sprint, so you're gonna do this
Ayun na, hindi ako nakapag-outro. Andito na ulit tayo sa ating condo village. Yung total ng run, parang 25 minutes lang yun na tempo intervals kasi doon ako sa beginner pace. Sumali, so mga 7 minutes and 30 seconds to 8 minutes lang yung pace noon. Ano mo naman, ayoko munang sumali sa mga mabibilis. Hindi pa ako, feeling ko hindi pa naman ako ganun kalakas. So, doon na tayo sa beginner. Palakasin muna natin ang ating aerobic base, ang ating mga strides at ang ating cadence bago tayo sumali sa malalakas. Ang binili ko lang, medyas, ando siya sa likod. Medyas ang binili ko. Maganda yung Saucony Azura. Very responsive. Non-carbon plated yun ha. Medyo may pagka-hybrid, pwede mo yung gawin sa workouts. And I think pwede yun sa akin nung na-test ko siya, pwede siya sa easy runs, interval runs lalo, kasi hindi masyadong mapapagod ang iyong legs tsaka yung feet while you pick up the pace. And also sa long runs. Meron siyang power boost. Basta yung sinabi nung ambassador kanina Saucony. So, maganda naman ang experience ko sa pagsali sa Rev Run Club. Shout out. Hopefully, makasali pa ako sa ibang mga running sessions nila. Siguro mga 2 Sundays o next Sunday. Depende kung anong run. Ngayon, sumali ako dun sa Mason. Let's try sumali naman dun sa Alabang pagka may session ulit sila. This is the only session for today. Dapat ang interval session ko for today ay total of 50 minutes pero wala pang 30 minutes tapos na. Bawi na lang ako bukas. Bukas long run ko. That would be 1 hour and 30 minutes. So good luck sa akin. Laters! Good morning, day 20 ng ating training phase 3. Ang session for today ay long run that will last for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Sabi ko naman sa inyo kahapon na babawi ako today sa running dahil parang 25 minutes lang ang tinakbo ko na total of 3 kilometers. So dito tayo tatakbo. Dito kami sa The Ravine by Wansela. Medyo puyat dahil medyo maingay yung katabi namin room. But anyway, kapag warm up na ako, let's go. Day 20, long run done. Duration 1 hour and 30 minutes, total of almost 10 kilometers kasi hindi nag-work yung GPS ko kanina noong una. Ang naka-record sa Amazfit ko is 9 kilometers, but dun sa Adidas Running, I have run a total of 6 miles na, which is equivalent to 10 kilometers. So, achieve naman natin ang kailangan natin i-achieve today. This is the only session for today. Mag-e-enjoy muna kami dito sa aming staycation sa The Ravine at Wansela. So, later.
Good morning. day 21 ng ating training phase 3. Ang session for today ay easy run that will last for 40 minutes. Zone 2 training na naman tayo today. Kaya, let's go. Time check. 4:35 a.m. Maaga tayo kasi kailangan ko maging maaga sa office dahil meron akong rehab session. 21, easy run done. Duration that's 40 minutes. Total of 3 kilometers. Chill run lang to. Talagang true zone 2 training. Anyway, that's the only session for today. Later. Morning, day 21 ng ating training phase 3. Ang session for today ay interval 1 that would last for 1 hour. Time check. 4:31 a.m. Let's go. Interval run done. 1 hour ang duration. Total of 7 kilometers. Actually, so start pala ng run na off ko yung watch ko. So, umulit ako ulit. Pero doon sa Adidas training, I think more than 7 kilometers train yung natakbo ko for an hour, more than an hour. Na-achieve naman natin yung mga pace sa bawat interval na ginawa natin. Happy naman. And yun to lang ang session for today. Later. 23 na pala tayo, kahapon day 22. Ang session for today ay easy run for 40 minutes. Nakikita nyo naman, medyo tanghali na. So, tanghali na tayo tatakbo. Matapos na ako mag-warm up. Tama na ang dagda, let's go for some easy run. Okay, day 23, easy run done. Duration 40 minutes, total of 4.4 kilometers. So, ito ang first session today. Ang second session, alam niyo ba kung ano? Balik pickleball tayo. Pickleball tayo mamaya. Pahinga muna sandali, kain ng breakfast, trabaho, and then pickleball, kahit mga 1 hour and a half. Yun lang, later. 24 tayo ngayon. Session for today ay fartlek run that will last for 50 minutes. This is a very special day kasi may bago tayong gagamitin sa training. Ito ang pinaka-asam-asam ko at talagang pangarap ko. Binili ko na kagabi, ay kahapon. Dahil masyadong mahal ang araw namin kahapon. So, hindi ko na patatagalin, papapakita ko sa inyo. Eto. Adidas Evo SL. Okay, matitest na natin siya. Ngayong fartlek run. Tapos na ako mag-warm up. Tara, takbo na. So good. Grabe ang feel ng sapatos na ito. Ito ang chismis. So light. Parang you're running on sandals. Tuloy ko na ito. Enjoy ko na ito. Buko. 24 fartlek run done. Okay, total of 5.73 kilometers. Duration, that's 50 minutes. Totoo ang chismis. Napakasarap. Napakagaan. At tatakbo ka talaga na mabilis dito sa sapatos na to. Yan. Ang ganda, diba? Love ko na to. Pero, hindi ko to pupudpurin dahil kailangan umabot siya sa aking first ever marathon. Anyway, this is the only session for today. Bukas ulit. Long run tayo. Later. It's a beautiful day. Day 25 tayo. Long run. This will last for 1 hour and 30 minutes. As you can see, maaga tayo mag-long run ngayon dahil may pupuntahan tayo later. So, tapos ako mag-warm up. Let's go. 35 long run done. Total of 1 hour and 30 minutes. Duration, 10 kilometers total distance. This is the only session for today. Maliligo na ako dahil malayo pa ang pupuntahan namin mamaya. Happy Sunday! Later!
Morning, day 26 tayo. Hindi pa vlog pa. Day 26. Session for today, easy run for 45 minutes. Time check. 5:02 a.m. na. Let's go. Day 26, easy run done. Duration, that's 45 minutes. Total of 4.53 kilometers. Purely zone 2 training. Most of the time, nasa zone 2 lang ako. That's 38 minutes. Nasa zone 2. And then, sa zone 1. Konti lang nagsispike sa zone 3. So, yun lang. That's the only session for today. Later. 27, easy run tayo ulit. Duration for 45 minutes. This is the first session today. Later, baka mag-second session tayo ng pickleball. But let's see kung ano pa sa schedule. Yes, may schedule. Anyway, tapos na ako mag-warm up. Zone 2 training muna tayo. Let's go. Day 27, easy run done. 45 minutes ang duration, total of 4.4 kilometers. Somewhere in that distance. Anyway, that's the first session for today. Try natin mag-pickleball for 1 hour later, and then siguro mga bandang hapon, try natin mag-run ulit. Interval run naman sa tatlong session today. Hindi naman ako masyado maraming energy. Anyway, later. Day 27, session 3, kasi nag-pickleball tayo kanina. Interval 1. This will last for 1 hour. So, help me, God. Wala. Kailangan to. Kasi lalaman na naman tayo mamaya. Let's go. Session 3. Walang katigil-tigil. Daming energy. Let's go. Let's go. Day 27, second run. Third session for today's video. Done. 1 hour ang duration. Total of 6.22 kilometers. So, pwede na akong kumain. Tapos na akong mag-cool down. Let's go. Later. Day 28 tayo. Nakikita nyo, nasa ibang lugar na naman ako. Nasa Villa Alfredos kami ngayon. Naimbitahan kami sa isang birthday celebration. So, dito ginanap. Kahapon pa kami nandito. Ito, session for today, Saturday. Fartlek run pala tayo. Fartlek run that will last for 1 hour. I'll take it easy kasi medyo limited ang space dito. Tapos na ako mag-warm up. Let's go! Day 28, fartlek run done. Ang total time duration is 1 hour. Total distance, 6.42 kilometers. May mga speed interval dito na naglakad ako. And then, mga last 1 minute, tsaka na lang ako umarangkada sa race pace. Pero sabi ng watch ko, nag-improve daw ang aking fitness. So, I don't know. Sana nag-improve. Anyway, this is the only session for today. Enjoy mo na kami. Swimming. Later. Hello, day 29 ng ating training phase 3. Session for today ay long run that will last for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'll take it slow, I promise, kasi recovering pa tayo sa ating fartlek run kahapon at i-break in natin ang bago kong biling sapatos na Nike Pegasus 40. Ganda, diba? Sale ko lang nabili yan. 1995. O diba? From 7,000 to 1995. Sa outlet store ng Nike. Sa Caltex, Mega Caltex Station. Sa
Sa may Pampanga. Sa NLEX. NLEX. Okay, daming dami kong daldal. Doon tayo tatakbo sa Memorial. Let's go! Day 29, long run done. 1 hour and 15 minutes ang duration. Total of 7 point something kilometers. So, ito lang ang session for today. Obviously, gabi na. Bukas rest day tayo. And then, siguro sa Holy Week, hindi ko muna siguro i-follow yung nasa training plan. But tatakbo pa rin ako. Siguro, zone 2, zone 3 training lang. Not much intensity. So, yun ang plano ko. Ngayong Holy Week. Take it slow. Slow. Like, anyway, later. So, day 30 ng ating training phase 3 session for today ay easy run. So, alam na this. Zone 2 training lang tayo. Let's take it easy. I'm starting na. Medyo hapon na tayo nag-start eh. So, let's go. Holy Tuesday today. Let's go. Okay, day 30. Easy run done. Total of 30 minutes. Distance 3 kilometers. Easy lang tayo. Tomorrow, interval run tayo, but I will take it slow. So, ito lang yung session for today. Obviously, dahil paggabi na, kailangan na magpahinga. Tapos bukas umaga tayo tatakbo ulit. So, later! Good morning! Day 31 ng ating training phase 3. Session for today ay interval run. That will last for 45 minutes. Sabi ko nga kahapon, I'll take it easy. So, yung mga slow pace, as in super slow pace. And then yung comfortable pace, siguro yung easy pace. And then yung accelerated pace, siguro yung comfortable pace. Yung mga ganun. Anyway, this will only be the session today kasi babiyahe kami later papuntang Laguna at doon kami mag-spend ng Holy Week. Bago na namang environment, bago na namang surroundings ang makikita nyo sa aking mga background sa running. Anyway, manadaldal, tapos na mag-warm up, takbo na tayo, let's go! Slow. Okay, day 31, interval run done. 45 minutes ang duration, total of 5.14 kilometers. Hindi ko rin nagawa yung plano ko kanina. So, yung accelerated pace ko dito sa intervals na ito ay ang aking race pace. At ang aking comfortable pace, at talagang normal na comfortable pace, hindi siya yung easy pace. So, out of breath na naman ako. Anyway, on the session for today, think over if I'm gonna run tomorrow or take a rest. But we'll see. Yun lang. Later.